Vertical Form Fill and Seal, or VFFS, is one of the most common filling systems in packaging today. Getting it right is critical for packagers, brand owners, and consumers, and for the converters supplying films for the packaging. That's why Pack Studios Freeport offers this commercial-scale VFFS line to customers to make sure everything is right and correct it if it isn't. Here, without disrupting our customers' production schedules or waiting for limited line time elsewhere. With the Hayssen VFFS, customers have time to test a variety of pouch formats against real-world conditions, coefficient of friction, machinability, film durability, and more. And the auxiliary testing available at Pack Studios offer a multitude of options after filling, from leak test to sealant testing. And there's more, because at Pack Studios, from start to finish, customers are covered. We're here to collaborate and innovate everywhere along the way. We're here to help accelerate more sustainable packaging, designed for recyclability for virtually any end-use applications. And giving customers access to equipment like the Hayssen VFFS and all the valuable data it provides is just one way it happens. For 10 years and counting, Pack Studios has led the way. And with ongoing updates like the Hayssen VFFS, the future is in the bag. We hope you'll join us.